Diazepam, commonly known as Valium, is a medication used in dogs to treat various conditions. It works by enhancing the effects of GABA, a neurotransmitter that calms the nervous system. Understanding its role is crucial for your pet's health. Diazepam is often prescribed for canine anxiety, including separation anxiety and fear of loud noises. It also manages seizures, muscle spasms, and provides sedation during surgical procedures. Each use requires careful consideration and veterinary guidance. Administering diazepam safely involves following veterinary instructions closely. Dosages are tailored to canine physiology, and it's vital to store the medication properly. Injectable diazepam is reserved for emergencies and should only be administered by a professional. After administration, monitor your dog for side effects like drowsiness, ataxia, or respiratory issues. Severe reactions, such as difficulty breathing, require immediate veterinary attention. Regular checkups ensure your dog's ongoing health and safety. For those seeking alternatives, natural calming aids like chamomile or valerian root may help, but always consult your vet first. Other medications, such as fluoxetine for anxiety or phenobarbital for seizures, might be suitable based on your dog's needs.